Hi, welcome again with our tutorial about ASP.NET Core MVC with Entity Framework. This part will be number 10. So today what we are going to do, actually we'll try to finish we'll grade today in student controller, but before that last video I mentioned about the title of the field. I will show you there now and how to change it from our data annotation, and same time we'll talk about the requirement of this field. Just let's run it and show you what we'll do. I put it here, just I call this two tables control panel. If you go to gender, so you will see here gender name, it's one word, so it's without let's say without title. If you want add title for this one, we'll add that annotation. We call it display name. Okay, what we want displayed there, what we want showed there, same this one but with a space. Course name, let's say, for example, and same time let's copy it and let's grade it. I think it's one word, no problem. Okay, but for which one other, let's say, or this one too, sorry, display will be name. Okay, sorry, small one. What we're gonna call it, gender name. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's okay. And at the same time, let me add just one more thing. They call it a requirement. To make this field requirement mandatory. So I can't add anything till I fill this text box. So how to do this one? I say requirement, after that to bracket, and I write inside them let's say they call it error message. When I leave this one empty and I said add or run on anything, will give me error message. Say to you gender name, let's say is required. Okay, at the same time maybe can add for course, let's say 2. I think for both, but here will be graduate is required, and same time I can add just in the under that one, I can add same, no problem. Okay, let's run our project and see what will happen. After that we'll start adding our student controller. Student controller will be more difficult or complicated a little bit. You need to be focused on it, good to understand it. So let's go to gender. If I add gender, so I should be here showing this one. So if there is a problem, we'll check it, no problem. But if you say create, so listen, see this one, when you press create, should be you should put something here. If it's null, you can't create it. So let's say NA create, it's okay. And same for courses. Courses okay, but gender not okay. We'll check it there, no problem. If we say new, let's say create, so both of them you need to add them. We said math 4, same, we should add this one too, say 50. No create, that's it. This one you put mandatory field. If you check it in the HTML, I think if you can understand with HTML it will be better. Look, if you say where is it now, it's in the Not this one. Sorry, when you say add, you go to the view code. Where is it? The button here. Label. Look, here is required. Where is it? Same this HTML. HTML said require it, and you put your message or your text here to show it to the user. Same as that one. Nothing new. Okay, let's close this one now, and we should now start with the harder one. Should be student. Let's close this one. Now add a new. It should be empty. Student. Student. Add. Okay, this one same as the last one, but will be a bit difficult because we will use the drop down list and use many things here. Let's say private, read only, student. Let's call it underscore student, and import this one. CTOR constructor will write this one will be student. So underscore student table will be like this, underscore student. That's it. First one will import for me, or show me all underscore all student dot get students. That's it for first one. Let's create our view. Will be list, will be student. Okay, add. Second one will add create, and after that we'll add delete or remove. So let's close this one now, no need it. Okay, we have here 1 2 3. Okay, no problem, we'll check. So after that we need to add public action create. Okay, or return value will be tag for this one http get, same time copy it and paste it, but will be here post and student. Be model. That's a great thing. Now let's copy this one and put it where here. So let's save and create sorry, the view. It will be create. After that our classes will be student, add. Okay, just let me run it and show you what we will see here. We have many things different here. It's not as usual. Okay, just let me save. Let's say run. Okay, Okay, let's go to student on index. It's now first time empty, nothing here. We'll add the display, okay, here too. If you go to create, okay, first name it's okay with me, last name it's okay with us, and date, okay, but here gender, ID, and status. So what this and what this, it's here our let's say it's difficult a little bit, but try to do it for you easy way. So if we say name here, we can add name. Let's say data entry, he's entering everything, okay. So he came to gender ID. He don't know male or female or then the ID. It's not logic to write numbers. He said, okay, number 1 is gender, number 2, okay, male, or number 2 it will be female. No, that's not logic, and it's not programming like this. Registration date. So, sorry. So what we will do with these things, even here status, what he will know status, he will write everything by his hand, graduated or PhD or I don't know what. No, we are using dynamic language, so we should use it, should give the end user something dynamic and easy for him. So let's close this one. First one we'll do our status, because it's easier than that one. But let me show you what is the status. If we back to our module, we back to student, we back down there. Status, it's from enum, from a type of enum as status. What this status here? Status, it's four things: undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD, or suspended. This one will be ID 0, ID 1, ID 2, ID 3. So how to add this one as a combo for my user to see them there? Let me take copy from them first. Okay, back to my HTML page. So now I need to write, they call it select list. So I need to get this one. I don't need it now. Okay, what I will write here, I will say select. Okay, I need to add ASP-4 for who will be the select. For status, copy the status from here, put it here, same field name should be. Okay, I'll give a class control2 form control. Okay, that, let me close it now. Okay, so I need now the values inside this one. What will be the values? First value, I said this one, let me put them here just, no, sorry, I need my values. Let's say first option, value, first value always will be null because it will be empty. Let's close it. What will write here? Let's say no status. Okay, second one will be option, same value. So the value will be, let's copy the value from here. First value is undergraduate. What will display for me out to, same. After that again, let me copy it now, it will be easier. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, I think 3, 4. Okay, no problem now. After that, postgraduate, don't forget both of them, you should change. PhD, and suspended. This one no need it, so let's back that again one more. Okay, let me run it and show you what's happened here. Let's go to student index. After that we'll go to create a new student. So as we see here, it's easy here. We see here it's more dynamic and I can choose any one of them. Okay, when I create, when I say post, it's dynamic will change from my enum. We'll take this post undergraduate, it's mean index number 0, will save it in my database as int, not as word, as we see here chart. I will show you in future what we'll do. So now we'll go to gender ID. I can't do same this one. I have purpose for both of them why I did these things. Why I did this one and this one. Just I want to show you this fixed data. When I use this enum, so this mean fixed data. I can't change them in the future. So I don't have any future any more status. So this one fixed. But if I go to gender, maybe the customer said to you, add more. I need male, female, or something different. So you can go from here to the control panel to gender, add it. Will show in here direct. But this one you can't change it. It's fixed. Always we choose for something fixed. Okay, cause easy. I don't need to add tables and read and I don't know what too many things now. So now let's go work with gender. Gender will be more complicated, but depend on our database and the relation we make it already. We created before. Let me show you the relation. Okay, but first of all, okay, let's back here. Databases. Our database. Let's go to the diagram just to show you. This student, we have the student ID. This student table can take more than, or let's from one here. Let's say many to one. So this table can take name from this one. So because we have relation. So how to read this relation or how to present this relation in our code. So first of all, I need to back to my student field. I need to this the following steps. I say public gender, say genders, okay, get set. This is the first step. Close this one. Now I need to back to my create here. In my create I need view back dot, let's call it genders. Okay, this dynamic view back. So what I need to add in this one, I need to add genders, all the genders. How many genders I have, male, female, all of them should be here. So how to add them? I need to add them on my declare genders here to read it from the database. Read only I gender, okay, underscore gender, and here I gender underscore I gender. Same, I declare it here to read it. Say gender equal I underscore I gender. That's it. Here I back this one. I said gender that give me all genders. Oh, sorry, genders, not gender only, genders. Because will be more than one in our variable will be here. So this is the first step. Second step, back to my code here. I need to change the input box. Where is gender? This one. I need to take this one off. I need to write here one line. It's not one or two lines. Same that select, but will be a bit different. Let's select, not selection, select. Okay, sure, it will be ASP4, ASP-4 who, it will be for gender ID. Let's copy gender ID from here. Okay, let's add under this one, let's say class, so we form control. Okay, here will be items, different than the last one. That one it's look same HTML normal one, but here will be items. We have items we read it from our database. This items will equal it will be here code, so put our add, sorry, okay, inside this one say new, yo. So just let me resume it and back to you in a second. Okay, let's here add new again. Close it. This video will be long video. Again, open it. Where is it? No snapshot. Let me recompile it. Okay, let's stop in this point and we'll back again in the second video, because this video will be more than 21 minutes too long. So see you in the next video.